they need a law subject. So guys, this law subject is nothing. What I always used to say, class, what is law? Law is basically what? Law is what? Law is common sense and logic. Law is nothing, class, but law is a common sense and logic. That's it. This is called law. You know, what is the difference between, class? What is the difference between the normal book and what is law book? So please understand this. What is the difference between normal book and law book? Class, the normal book, that is basically divided into the chapter, right? In your school, college, you just read the chapters of the book. But in the law book, the law book is called act. Law book is called what? The law book is called act. So in your BRBL subject class, you have to study how many act? You have to study 25 act. See. So in the BRBL subject class, you have to study 25 act. And if I just show you the thing that, if I just show you the module wise, so in the module D, 9 acts you have to study. Module C, 10 acts you have to study. Module B, 4 acts you have to study. And module A, you have to study 2 acts. So class, tell me how many acts are there? Hanji, ma'am and sir, how many acts are there? Total number of acts, tell me. 9 plus 10 plus 4 plus 2, how many acts? Yes, class. Tell me, Baba, how many acts total? 9 plus 10 plus 4 plus 2. That is 25. So that's why, class, you have to study 25 acts. Okay, class, tell me, you people are new in this session, right? Vijay sir, Rainbow sir, Rashi ma'am, Brahmchandra sir, B Ram sir. You people are new to me, right? I'm also new to you. Now, just tell me, in these 4 modules, what do you think that which module is important? Just tell me. You have to tell me. Which module do you think that is important? Tell me, class. Okay. Someone is saying, ma'am, module C. Okay. And module C. Next, module D. So you people are absolutely right. So it is a common sense now. It is a common sense and logic that if C and D contain 9 and 10 law books, total 19 acts. So module C and D is important. That is absolutely right. So now, suppose I'm just giving the one example. Suppose Indian Contract Act is there. What is this? Indian Contract Act 1872. I'm just giving you the one example that in each act, what we have to study. Okay. So in Indian Contract Act class, you can see that this act is totally based on contract. In the name of the act, you can easily recognize that this act is talking about what. So this act, we are talking about the contract. And this act is made by in 1872. I think you people know that the government have 3 organs: legislature, executive, judiciary. So what is the work of legislature? To make the law. Executive, to execute the law. And judiciary, to give justice. So these are the 3 organs of the government. So who make law? This portion make law. So what exactly in the act we have to focus? We have to focus first of all concept, because in act na it's contain concept, sections, illustrations. Illustrations means examples, and the last one is cases. So guys, in each act you have to focus on these four subjects. You know class, when I was doing my LLB and my master's degree now, so at least 40 plus act we have just read in our LLB, 40 plus law subject. But in your BRBL subject, you have to focus only on 25 acts. Suppose in Indian Contract Act class, there are total 238 act. Oh my god. It means we have to learn 238 sections. The answer is no. So guys, just keep smile, because in your BRBL subject, you do not have to study the sections. Thank God. Class, thank God. We do not remember these sections. So if the Indian contract contains 238 sections, what is section? Sections means point-wise thing. Suppose in the book, chapter number 1, chapter number 2, chapter number 3 is there. So in the law book, point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, just like these things are there. So point-wise is known as section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4. But we do not have to remember the sections. Tell me, class, is that give you a relief or not? Rashi sir, Rashi ma'am and sir. This portion that I have told you that you do not need to learn the sections, that's give us relief or not, right now? But, only 3 to 4 questions always come from the section based. Babu sir, Rashi ma'am sir, 3 to 4 question only come in the form of section based. That's it. Okay, so this is also a great relief. There is a no negative mark in your exam. So you have to do all the questions. You have to do all the question. In the, from Monday, when I just teach you the modules now, I will highlight these sections, but you don't need to remember. You don't need to remember the sections. Okay, so this is your what? So you have to focus on each act, concept, illustration means examples I will give you, and the cases, because in your BRBL subject now, one liner questions come, case studies question come, and 4 to 5 line questions come. 4 to 5 line questions come. So this is the way in which the questions asked in the BRBL subject. In the June session, many students have scored class 70 plus marks. Many students have scored the 70 plus marks. So now I am going to give you a trick. Now I'm going to give you a trick how to score 70 plus marks in BRBL subject. So for 70 plus marks, what you have to do, first of all, focus on concept of book. Or you can say that focus on the concept of what? Act. This is very important. I will give you, suppose this concept is available in the PDF form also. The PDF will be available 24 into 7. So you have to revise your PDF after ending of the session. I will also give you the question of each act. Suppose one act contain 100 question. So it is my duty, for each act I am going to give you the 100 questions. This is important. Done. Then in your paid batch class, you will get your ebooks. You have to revise, you will get your mock paper. So mock paper at the last of the session, you have to do the mock paper. So if you follow these things now and class C, there is also one option, that is YouTube session. So in the YouTube session class, the timing is always 8 a.m. So in the YouTube session, right now in August session, we are doing the module wise questions. So that's why you have to focus on the YouTube session also. Suppose if it is not possible to attend the YouTube session, so you can see the recorded session also. You can see the recorded session also. So guys, if you really follow these points now, it is 100% guarantee that you will score 70 plus marks. That's it. These are the trick to crack your exam. Okay, class. These are the trick, sir and ma'am, to crack the exam. Now, let's focus on the syllabus discussion because syllabus is very important. Okay, so one by one, I'm going to show you the act. I will just teach you a brief of the act, and then from Monday, we will be start our session from the module D. Then we will finish module C, then module B, then module A. That's it. Okay, now please understand each act very carefully because acts are very important. Now, see the first one, module D. So, what exactly class module D is? Commercial and other law with reference to the banking operation. So, what is commercial? Commercial means that is related to the business. So, class, what are the laws that is related to the business background? And there is a connection of business to the banking operation. So, first of all, see what are the acts. First one, see class, Indian Contract Act. The first act. What is this? Indian Contract Act, which is in which we are going to study the contract. Tell me, class, do you watch TV? Rashi ma'am, sir. Yes, Biram, sir. Do you watch TV? Tell me. Hanji. Manikandan, sir. Do you watch movies? Do you go for watching this one shopping? No, Rashi ma'am. Devashi sir, yes. Are Baba, movie to you just people go na. Movie theater, shopping. Right now, okay, Rashi ma'am or sir, if you just work in a bank, okay, so customers come in your bank na to open the account, right now. The customer come in your bank to open the account na, right now. So what is this class? This is called contract. So right now, guys, I'm just going to tell you a one example of each act so that you can easily understand that these acts are, you know, we just deal with the day to day business of the banking. These acts are not new class. These acts are, happen in our day to day life. So we all do shopping. Shopping means doesn't mean just to dress. No, 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 no. Shopping means we just, purchase the vegetables, milk, daily basis. What is this? This is called contract. So in the contract, you have to study meaning. You just essential points of valid contract and what is the relation of contract and banking. See some more points: contract of indemnity, guarantee, bailment, pledge, agency. These are the concept. These are the class concept that you have to study. Now tell me, class, is that this act is new? Hanji class, this contract act is new. Tell me. In your bank, always customer come to just take the loan, deposit the amount. What is this? This is called contract. So Babu sir, in our lecture now, when I will show you the 25 act now, each 25 act you people know. Trust me, these 25 acts are known to you. Second point, sales of goods act. Okay, tell me. When you just go for the shop, if the shopkeeper is giving suppose bike, you want to purchase the bike. Who want to purchase the bike? Debashish sir. Debashish sir, you want to purchase the bike, right? So Debashish sir, the cost of this bike is 50,000. So Debashish sir, you are what? Debashish sir is the buyer and shopkeeper is the seller. So the contract between seller and buyer is called sales of good act. That's it. So in the sales of good act class, what you have to study that what is the definition of goods, what is condition warranty, what is unpaid seller. So tell me, in your house, you all have purchased the washing machine, TV, bike, car, etc. Is that right or wrong? Yes, sir and ma'am. Did you people purchase these things or not? Tell me, tell me, tell me. 100 class. Yes, na? So I think you people know sales of good act. Easy. Done class. It's done. Indian Partnership Act 1930. Suppose Nikita's ma'am company is of shoe company and Rashi ma'am company is suppose of export and import company. So Rashi ma'am, your company and my company now want to become a friend. Why ma'am? Because we both are very intelligent and we both want to do business. That is, we just both want to business together. So what is this? We are the partners now. And the partners means in the business now after becoming the partner. So if any profit is done, the profit is distributed equally. And if any loss is done, that loss will be bear by both of us. This is called partnership. So you have to study meaning, definition, nature, relations of partners to one another, relations of partners to the third party, minor, what is the role of minor? Can minor become the partner? Dissolution, effect of non-registration. That's it, class. So Rashi ma'am, in future, we will just, open our company. Right, ma'am? Then we become the partners. Okay, ma'am. Then we become the partners. Right? So, ma'am, before we just do the partnership, we have to understand the Company Act. We have to understand, ma'am, the rules and regulations of the company. Suppose if Nikita ma'am is opening private company and ma'am, you are the owner of the public company. So, ma'am, we have a different rules and regulations. So, what Company Act say? The Company Act say you have to study definition, types of company, memorandum, article. These are the documents, doctrine, membership, prospectus, director. That's it. So, guys, in the Company Act, you are going to study these three topics. These topics. Done. Next, LLP. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Just like your partnership, just like company, LLP is also a entity in which we just do the business. You know what is the similarity between these three things? Hanji class, what are the similarities of these three things? Just tell me. Hanji class, what are the similarities of these three things? Tell me class. See, the first similarity is company, partnership and LLP. All wants to do the business. All want to do the business. What is the second similarity? Anyone class? Exactly, Babu sir. Multi people are involved. Absolutely right. And what are the next? What is the relation between, sir, these three personalities to the bank? Tell me the relation with respect to the bank. That is easy one. Tell me, class. What is the relation of these three personality in the sense of bank? See, partnership firm wants loan. Company wants loan. LLP wants loan. So just tell me, class, for that loan, these personalities will come where? Hanji, these entity will come where? Tell me, tell me. Baba, these are the customer in front of you people. So everyone will go to the bank. Sir, ma'am, please give us loan. We want to do the business. So these are the similarities of these three things because everyone is doing business. Company is partnership LLP. So this is a similarity. So I think that is easy one. That is so easy, class. Next, Transfer of Property Act. Now, class, this act deal with the immovable property. What is this? This act deal with the immovable property. Guys, Vijay sir, Nikita ma'am wants 20 lakh loan from your bank, right? Guys, please listen the example. Nikita ma'am wants 20 lakh loan from Vijay sir bank, and for security, Nikita ma'am have given her land, 20-acre land I have given as a security to the bank. So class, when immovable property is given as a security to the bank, what is this? What is a contract between me and the bank? So this is called what? Mortgage. What is mortgage? In which we are doing the in which we are giving the immovable property as a security to the bank. Now tell me, class, when people come in front of you, okay, when people come in front of you for loan, did you people take the immovable property as a security or not? Tell me. And please speak frankly and honestly. Hanji class, did you people take the immovable property as a security or not? Yes, no? That's great. So in the TP Act, we have to focus on lease, mortgage, sale of immovable property, and actionable claim. Four concept, Devashi sir, we have to study. Four concept only. That's it. Focus on the concept. Okay, that's cool. Next. Right to Information Act. What is information? Suppose there is a public entity, there is a private entity. Now just apply your common sense to whom we can ask any question. Tell me, class. Apply the common sense. To whom, class, we can ask the question, whether from private entity or from public entity. Suppose if we want to know how many vacancies are there in IBPS. How many vacancies are there? So could we ask from the private company or public company? The private, if we just ask from the private company will say, who the hell you are? Hey, who the hell you are? But if I ask same question from the public company, na, public company cannot say sentence this like that. The public company, it is a duty that they have to give information to the people. So guys, in the right to information, what kind of information we can ask from the public authority? So this thing we have to study. Eighth, IT Act. Okay, class, how many of you, ma'am and sir, you just do work through the computer? Tell me, class, how many of you in your bank, you just do the work through the computer? Tell me. Tell me, class, tell me. How many of you? Everybody. So Devashi sir, suppose Nikita ma'am is a hacker. Nikita ma'am is a hacker and you are doing your work. I just hacked your computer and taken your all data. What will happen? If I just hack your computer and I just taken your all data, it means Nikita ma'am have done the crime. Nikita ma'am have done the crime. So what is this? Huh. Mm, too bad. Okay, class. So in the IT Act, that is totally based on the computer and its crime. This is called IT Act. Exactly. The hacking is what that's come under the cybercrime. Prevention of Corruption Act. Now, please tell me a answer in a very simple manner. In your bank, did you people do corruption? Tell me. Corruption means the sweet packet. Rashi ma'am, this is the sweet packet for you. And please, ma'am, give me the loan with a very low rate of interest. No, GK sir, no, Vijay sir, no. That's great. I know. You people are very honest. You people are very honest. So, ma'am and sir, this act basically we have to study about the corruption. Who will handle corruption? Special judge will appoint. Special judge will appoint. Offense and penalties, fines, person authorized to investigation, etc. So now class, tell me, module D is finished. How many of you think that module D acts are unknown? Tell me class. Module D we have finished. So tell me, how many people you think that module D is all acts are new or all acts you know? Tell me class. Tell me class. Hanji, all known? That's great. So same GK sir, Babu sir, module D, C, B, A. In the all four module, you people know all the act. Rashi ma'am, you know all the act. Just wait and watch. Module C. Module C is what? Module C is basically, you can say, just see there, important act laws, legal aspect of banking operation part B, and module B is same sentence part A. So these acts are related to the banking sector. First, integrated ombudsman scheme. What is ombudsman? Suppose Nikita ma'am is a customer. Nikita ma'am is a customer, and in the Rashi's ma'am bank, she is not responding me very correctly. I will complain you, Rashi ma'am. I will complain on your this bank. So for complaint, what is the authority name in which I can just go and complain? So that authority name is ombudsman. So when any complaint is filed against your bank, then you will get to know what is ombudsman. So ombudsman is the authority who will listen the complaint of customer and the bank. That's it. So this act you will get to know when the person will complain on your bank. The micro, small, medium enterprise development class, rural areas. Tell me class, nowadays rural people also their business are developing. Why? Because of the support of the bank. The bank now are ready to give loan to the rural peoples. Rural people means who are living in the village. Who are living in the village. So guys, this micro, small, medium enterprise is basically that what are the ways in which the rural areas business can be developed with the help of the bank. So this is known to you people. Exactly, GK sir. Next, these are the things. See what exactly this act means. The concept is important for the promotion of industrial development in the rural areas, use of the traditional and inherent skill, use of the local resources, and mobilization of resources and exportability of the product. See, so this is basically focus on the rural areas. Next, Surface Act. What is Surface Act? Surface Act, you people know. Why you people know? Suppose Nikita ma'am have taken 25 lakh loan from GK Sir Bank, right? But now Nikita ma'am is not able to pay the money. Sorry, sir, GK sir, Nikita ma'am is not able to pay the money. Now, Surface Act say what? Surface Act say without intervention of the court, we can take we can easily take money from Nikita ma'am. How? With the process of SARFAESI. With the procedure that is given in SARFAESI, that how, without intervention of the bank, how the bank can easily take loan from the borrower. So when you will read the act one by one, the chapter one by one, then you will get to know that how, without intervention of the court, we can get the money. This is your SARFAESI Act. DRT, that is so simple. DRT is tribunal. So tribunal is also a quasi judicial body. Tribunal is just like the court. What is tribunal? It is just like the court. So this court is basically made to recover the debt. DRT, Debt Recovery Tribunal. So this is the authority in which the bank and financial institution can approach to take debt from the borrower. In SARFAESI, without intervention, but in DRT, we have to approach this tribunal. Introduction of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code. Suppose, sir, Nikita ma'am have taken loan that is of 20 lakh from Debashish sir bank. So Debashish sir, suppose if Nikita ma'am is insolvent, Nikita ma'am become bankrupt. So sir, what will happen then? Hanji sir and ma'am. What will happen? Suppose Nikita ma'am become bankrupt, Diwaliya, insolvent. What will happen? Tell me, class, what will happen? Are Baba, what will happen? Nikita ma'am have taken 25 lakh from you people and Nikita ma'am become bankrupt. Recovery become very difficult. So for that recovery, sir, this special act is made. For that recovery, sir, this special act is made. The Bankers Book Evidence Act. What type of evidence the bank can give to the court? This is called Bankers Book Evidence Act. What I say? What type of evidence the bank can present before the court? So this act, we have to study that the kinds of evidence, what type of evidence the bank have to give. Suppose if the matter approach to the court. The Legal Service Authority Act, we have to study only Lok Adalat. Now just tell me, in your bank, Lok Adalat conduct or not? Yes, sir and ma'am. Tell me, class. Hanji class, in your bank, the Lok Adalat conduct or not? So Debashi sir, Babu sir, Rashi ma'am, this act is hard, eh? Lok Adalat. So we have to study the simple points of the Lok Adalat. Consumer Protection Act. Jago Grahak Jago. Nikita ma'am have purchased a car and my car name is BMW car, right? So in my BMW, when I just purchased a car, within 1 month, my car become damaged. And the company is saying that we cannot do anything. It's not our fault. Now just tell me, class, within 1 month, if my car get damaged, so it is my duty to just recover the compensation from the company. Right now, we can approach to the consumer forum. We can approach to the consumer forum regarding this one. So this is your Consumer Protection Act. Consumer means we the people. The person who purchase the goods, avail the service, that is called consumer. So we have to study this one. The Limitation Act, the law of limitation. Okay, tell me, Rashi ma'am, suppose in your house theft happen, right, Rashi ma'am? In theft, ma'am, after 10 years, you just approach to the police station. After 10 year, ma'am, you just approach to the police station. Now just tell me, ma'am, what the police will say. Hanji, Rashi ma'am. Everybody have to give me the answer. Suppose theft happened today, but Rashi ma'am approached to the court. Rashi ma'am approached to the court after 10 years. What police will we do? What police will do, class? Tell me. The law of limitation is basically the time limit within which you have to file the case. Police will laugh to us. Police will say, Rashi ma'am, in these 10 years, are you slipping? For theft, ma'am, you have to come to the police station within 3 years. After 3 years, you are coming, get loss. So, ma'am, the limitation means for every act, there is a limitation. So, we have to study limitation. That's it. Tax law. I think everybody have filed the ITR. So, in the tax, we have to study income tax, CTT, GST. Now, tell me, class, these acts are new to you. Tell me. Hanji, class, these acts are new for a lot of you. Tell me. Tell me, class. These acts are new. Tell me. All you know, people. And module B is also damn easy. Now, see what is module B? Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Money laundering. Black money. Nikita ma'am have a 5 crore hard cash because Nikita ma'am is criminal. Nikita ma'am is not paying the tax. Now this black money, I'm converting it to the white money, right? So this is illegal. So to prevent this scenario, this Prevention of Money Laundering Act is there. I have already told you by the name of the act, you can easily understand the act name. That's it. Negotiable Instrument Act, about check, about promissory note, about bill of exchange, we have to study in the Negotiable Instrument Act. People know the check. What is check? This thing is given in this act. Negotiable. Negotiable means transfer, instrument means document. Foreign Exchange Management Act. Dollar, currency. Import, export need, currency exchange also. To manage the currency, this act is there. FEMA Act is there. Payment and Settlement Act. Google Pay, Paytm, Amazon Pay, WhatsApp Pay, every pay. What is this pay? We need a control under this one. Who will controlling authority? RBI. So we have to understand Payment and Settlement Act, different types of payment mode. Ho gaya. Only 4 act in module B and 3 concept. What is mortgage? What is appropriation, assignment, pledge, hypothecation, bankers, etc. So in module B, 4 act and 3 concept. 1, 2, 3 concept. What is charge? In security, what charge is created? That's it. Module A. And class, in module A, na, you have to study only about Reserve Bank of India. 2 act is there. And Banking Regulation Act. That's it. In the Reserve Bank of India, we have to study the power and duties of Reserve Bank. In banking regulation, how to regulate the other banks. So in this module A, we have to study only the 2 act. And what are the content of 2 act? These are the content of the 2 act. These are not the chapter. These are the content of 2 acts. See? These are the content. That's it. Now tell me, is that subject is easy or hard? Tell me. The syllabus is over. Guys, the syllabus is over. Tell me, class. This subject is easy or hard? Tell me. So, if you want, if you want that it will become more and more easy now, so please follow my guidelines. If you really want to crack this exam with 70 plus marks, sir and ma'am, so please attend the class regularly. Second, whatever the presentation which I will teach you, the presentation will be converted into the PDF form. The PDF form will be available to you, so please revise it. Whatever question that I will give you in the PDF, you have to do all the question. That's it. So if you are new in this session, please, this is the way in which you can purchase the batch. Okay, it's a GIB CIB November 2023. Today, if you purchase the CIB Mahapack, it means its validity is 1 year. You will get English bilingual all classes till 1 year, mock paper ebooks plus elective subject also. And this is the separate batch, single batch. So single batch, you have to apply the coupon code that is JC80. 80% discount is there. So guys, this is all for today's class. So please do not forget to enroll in the session. This was the introduction class. From Monday onwards, we are going to start module wise topic. Done? Module wise topic. Okay? Thank you so much.